Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to find ROAS value in Google Ads. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account, then click on campaigns and then click on columns, click on modify columns, then click on conversions. Here you can find conversion value per cost. This is a ROAS value. So suppose your conversion value is $5 and costing is $1, so it's in a positive sign. If it is less than 1, I mean it's the value of conversion value per cost is less than 1, that means your earning is less and ad spending is more. So you have to improve this. Let's see what happened. Click apply and scroll little bit, and here you can see the details. So suppose you are earning $5 and costing is $1, that means the score will be here 5, and it is a good sign. If it is less than 1, you have to need to work on that. You have to improve your ads, and you have to improve quality scores. You have to add some negative keywords. And second thing, you can check this metrics anywhere in the ads in ad groups. Even you can see in keywords. This is also available here. You can simply click on columns, modify columns, and the second method is you can simply search here uh, conversion value per cost. So here you can find out. You can simply select and apply. If you want to save in a separate with the separate name, you can check this box and add name and then save. So this is how you can check your ROAS. This is a very good or very important metrics to analyze your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.